Hi, I'm Manny Lapingcao. Here's a video on how to play my song Santo Niño Gugma ko. It starts with the chord C, key of C. So the intro goes like this. It starts with C, then E minor, then F, then G. Again, C, E minor, F, then G. And here's how I play it. And by the way, the chord F that I use the form like this. Instead of clipping my finger here. So it would be easier to pluck. So now on the verse, here are the chords that I use. So Santos nga Ginoo. So I start with C, then E minor, then F. Sa tanan panahon, back to C, then F. Ikaw ang among hari, then back to C. Kagahapon, that's D7, ug karon, that's G. Then C, sa tanan nga katuigan, E minor, then F, pagadaygon ka, C, then F, walay tupong ang pagmahal. So C, A minor passing, pagmahal, then D minor, nga gihatag mo. So D minor, G, C, gihatag mo. See? Okay, one more time. Let's play it. Santos nga Ginoo sa tanan panahon, ikaw ang among hari, kagahapon ug karon, sa tanan nga katuigan, pagadaygon ka, walay tupong ang pagmahal, nga gihatag mo. Then C7. Okay, so we'll go on to the chorus part. So that's going to be F, Santo Niño, then C, Santo Niño, D minor, Señor, G, Santo, then G, C, Niño, F, O, daghang salamat, that's C, sa kaayo, D7, mo, that's G, then back to F, daygon sa, then C, kanunayong, then D minor, simbahon, then G, then C, gayon, back to C7, then F, Santo Niño, C, Santo Niño, so passing to A minor, Santo Niño, then D minor, G, so chorus, Santo Niño, Señor Santo Niño, o daghang salamat sa kaayo mo, daygon sa kanunay, simbahon ka gayon, Santo Niño, second stanza, still the same. Use the chords of the first stanza. So C, hari sa kalipay, E minor, hari F nga gamay, C, hatagan, that's F punta, kamig luna. Sing, so C kamig luna, A minor. D7 sa dukan mo, G. Then hari, C, hari nga gamhanan, C, then E minor, then F, hari satanan. So F, C, satanan. Walay F, tupungang pagmahal. So pagmahal, that's C, then passing to A minor. Pagmahal, then D minor, nga gihatag mo. Then C7, then back to the chorus part. And by the way, after the last chorus, you go back to the intro. So you go back to C, E minor, F, so it goes like this again. Santo Niño, Gugma. Well, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. See you around next video. A lot more songs from Manny.